Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw baby shark, so let's get started. To draw baby shark, we're going to first start by drawing its mouth. So I'm going to come right here and draw a soft curve for a pretty big mouth. And then I'm going to connect it with a deeper curve. So something like that, and let's go inside and draw the teeth. So I'm going to make it a little bit easier and just start right in the center. So I'm going to make them kind of not too sharp, just a little bit friendlier, right? So I'm going to start with the first one, and then I'm just going to get smaller as I go to the sides. And same thing on this side. And then we're going to draw the bottom one. There. So then now let's go above this mouth, and then we're going to draw the eyes. So come slightly a little bit above, and we're just going to draw a big circle. And same thing on this side. And then let's come inside the circle, and we're going to draw another circle. And same thing on this side. So let's make them draw so cute eyes in here. So we're going to add 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And same thing on this side. There, so now we have the eyes, and let's come right here in the center. We're going to draw 2 little ovals for the nostrils. So now that we have the eyes and the mouth in, let's come to the side right here, and we're going to draw the top of its head. So I'm just going to come out a little bit, kind of like where I started with the eye. I'm just going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big curve over the eye. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to find my point, say about right here, about same thing on the other side, and I'll come about right here so it's easier for me to draw my curve. But if you're drawing really small, you can just go ahead and draw one big curve. Now I can come to my top, so my center is going to be my highest point, is going to be right there, and bring it down. So then from there, let's continue this curve down. And close to the mouth area. And just drawing the head here and bring it in. So we're going to bring it to about the same level, leaving the center open. So from there, let's come back to the mouth, and we're just going to draw a slight curve out. So imagine this line's continuing out and slight curve down. Just to separate the colors on the face. There. And then let's come to the top right here. Right in the center, we're going to draw the fin. So about right here, we go up and come back down. There, now we got our shark, right? Okay, so then now to draw the body. So now that these 2 lines are pretty even and center's open, I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to start to draw the body. So from this point right here, I'm just going to curve down, and same thing over here. So I'm going to continue this curve down, just give a slight curve out. About this much, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it back. So this is the inside part, the white part for the shark. So this kind of shape. It looks really weird right now, right? But it's all gonna come together. So let's come back up right here in this area, and we're gonna start to draw the fin. So come out, and we're gonna round it off and bring it back in. So let's do the same thing on this side, so about the same area on the other side. Round it off and bring it in. And we're not going to go all the way because we need to draw another curve right there. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to come down about right here, come down towards this curve, then we're going to start to draw the tail. And same thing over here. Let's just come in here and draw a curve all the way, and it's going to taper down to the tail. There. So then in this area, we're going to start to draw the tail right here. Let's come out with a curve, bring it back to the center, and now the bottom part. And bring it back to here and connect. And then let's see here. We're pretty much done for this shark, except of course we have to add a little heart right here. And if you want, you can add some bubbles. All up to you. And that is pretty much it for our baby shark. Now to color it. So there, hope you guys love this cute baby shark and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.